Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this easy blanket. I made it for baby blanket but a little big because its width is 1 meter, height is 120 centimeter. I'm not putting a border on it. I put pompons for corner. I hope you like it. It's so simple and you can adapt that square size which you want. I take my coffee today because it's so rainy here. If you're ready, you will take your coffees and come here. Let's start to crochet our new baby blanket. It's so easy, I promise. Let's start to crochet. I use my blanket, Yarnspirations yarn, Bernat Premium Tweeds. It's 97% of acrylic, 3% of viscose, 7 ounces, nearly 200 grams, and it's equal to 360 yards and 329 meters. I use nearly 3 balls, left that yarn. Okay. So approximately I used 500 grams. Okay, 520, nearly that. Its size is for medium thickness. They recommend us using 5 millimeter, but I use in that blanket 6 millimeter hook. It's more soft. I like that. Machine washable and dryable, not ironing directly. Also, you don't ironing your crochet projects directly. Okay. They recommend again 5.5 and 5. I use 6. I told that. And let's start to make our blanket. For this blanket, you need make your foundation chains, multiples of 2. I make my squares 14 double crochet and 7 puff stitch. 7 puff, 1 chain, 7 puff, 1 chain, so I skip 1. So my sets 14 14. You can adapt your sets and square centimeter which you want. If you want it more little, you can make 4 puff, so 8 double, or you can make it bigger, 10 puff, 20 double. It's your choice. Okay, I start with the boxes. I want to show you a little sample so you can adapt it which you want. I will first of all make a slip knot, then make my chains. I will make we will do that 2 sets. Okay, so here I need 28 chains for the boxes, 2 here, 2 that side, plus 4, so I need 32 chains. I make mine. I'm not so make them so tight, okay, or not loosey. I make my chains and turn to you. I made 32 chains. For the starting double crochet, I add 2 more. So you will make your chains multiples of 2. You will be careful about that, only it's enough. Yarn over and skip 1 2 3 for the double crochet and add 1 more for the space. So I skip 1 2 3 4. I insert into the 5th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. So I made a box for the start point. Then chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one. We will make boxes in that first row. I complete it and turn to you. Chain 1, skip 1, make a double. Okay. I made by my boxes. Always first and the last is always a box. Okay, don't forget that. So I will make chain 4. 2, 3, 4. Turn my work. Yarn over, and I want to start with the double crochet square. Insert into the, skip that, insert into that double crochet stitch and make here double. Yarn over, insert into space, make a double. Next, make a double. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I made 14 double crochet because I want to my squares that size, and I want to give you my squares measurement so you can adapt it which you want easily. Okay, 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 to 12. If you want to make it more little, so you can make it here, for example 10 double. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That size is like that. Or you will make it bigger. You can add more double crochets. Now I want to start puff stitch part. Always we make puff stitch on that double crochet stitches. Don't forget that. So yarn over, insert into that double, not make any chains. Don't forget that. Insert into that double crochet stitch, grab my yarn and pull it. Do that 3 times. This is 1, insert into the same. This is 2, yarn over and insert into the same. This is third one. So I have 2, 4, 6 and 7 loops. Pull through 6 of them, then pull through 2. Chain 1 for that space, yarn over, insert into the next one. Make a puff again, 1, 2, and 3. Pull through 6 of them and pull through 2 of them. Chain 1, yarn over, come to the next double crochet stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1, I have 3. Insert the next one. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2. Chain 1, yarn over, insert into the next double crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1 for the space. Insert here. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2, chain 1, come here and make here 1, 2, 3, pull through and pull through 2. We will count now 2, 4, 6 and 7. That's enough because 7 is 14 stitch we have here. We made here 14 double crochet. Then chain 1, insert here and make a double. If you not come to the edge, so you repeat that, you will repeat again 1 in the stitch, 1 in the space, double crochets, and do the same thing the first square. But I show you a sample, so I come to the edge, so chain 1 and make a double crochet on the third chain and make my edge square. You can you see here, I made the first puff the double crochet stitch, and I not make any chains because I made the double crochet in the space. But you be careful, I made this last puff on the double crochet, but I will start with make one chain and start with the double crochet on the double crochet stitch. You be careful about the keep the same chain number all the rows. It's important for not making your blanket wavy. Okay, now again, if you keep like that, you will keep crocheting with double crochets. Now I will start with chain 4 again, because we start and finish with the boxes. Yarn over and make a double crochet and make my edge box. Then I will repeat that puff stitch again. So I need here chain 1 because I have a space. Don't forget it. Then make a puff stitch on the puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. Chain 1, come to the next, insert into top of the previous row's puff stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1, come here. 1, 2 and 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1 for the space, come here and make one more puff on the top of the puff. Chain 1, yarn over, come here. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1 for the space, make puff 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1, come here and make the last puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Now I come to the double crochet row part, but I have no any space, so I will keep start with the double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Come to the edge, chain 1 and make the last double on the third chain. Then chain 4 and turn and make your double crochet here. Come here, not make any chain because we don't have space, you see. Then start with puff, chain 1, puff, chain 1. How many you have puff stitch, you will do that. When you finish your puff stitch, make the edge boxes, then keep repeating how many rows you crochet like that. I crochet like that 2, 4, 6 and 8. I crochet 8 rows like that, you can see. Then make one boxes row. After, change the places of box and the puff stitch place. I slide them. Now I crochet 2 more rows like that. After I will show you box row, then we will change them places. Okay, I crochet 2 more rows after turn to you. I complete 2 more rows. Also you will keep it. If you want to make square shape, you will keep repeating that 2 sides, which size you want. Now you come to your which size want for that squares, you think like that. So we will make a dividing part, that parts with that box row. Okay, you think that's like that. So I will start again, chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and turn my work. Our work is so simple, yarn over. So skip that, start with that double, insert here and make a double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, insert into the next one, chain 1, skip 1, next one, chain 1, skip 1, next one, chain 1, skip 1, next one, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, insert into the next and make a double, chain 1, skip 1, make a double, chain 1. Look at here, we not have chain, so skip that double, so make a double crochet on that puff stitch. We want that too. Chain 1, skip that space and make a double on the puff. Always make your doubles on the puff, puffs on the doubles. Okay, don't forget that, it's your control point. Chain 1, skip 1, insert into next and make a double, chain 1, make a double on the puff, chain 1, skip that, make a double on the puff, chain 1, skip 1, make a double on the puff, chain 1, skip 1, make a double on the puff, chain 1, skip 1, make a double on the double, chain 1 and make the 8th double crochet. So we make the box row. Now we change the them places. Okay, start with chain 4, 1 2 3 4, turn my work, yarn over, and we look here, before of that box row we have puff stitch, so we start with this time double crochet, chain 4, we turn, yarn over and make the 8th box, insert into the double crochet stitch and make the 8th box. This is always same. Okay, and I will start my double crochets on the puff stitch. So chain 1 and start the same line of that double crochet stitch and make the first double in the stitch, second in the space, third in the stitch, 4 in the space, 5 stitch, 6 space, 7 in the stitch, 8 in the space, 9 in the stitch, 10 in the space, 11, 12, 13, and come to the space 14 in the space. Now we come to the double crochet part, so we put the puff stitch on it. What will we do? We put the puff on the double crochet, don't forget. So not make any chains, directly yarn over and insert into that double crochet stitch and make a puff, 1 2 and 3, pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. This time chain 1, skip that space, come to the next stitch and make a puff, 1 2 3, pull through 2, chain 1, yarn over, skip here, insert here, 1 2 3, pull through 2, chain 1, skip 1, insert into next stitch, 1 2 3, pull through 2, chain 1, skip that space, come to the stitch, 1 2 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. We count that 2, 4, 5. We need 2 more. Chain 1. Come to the stitch. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1. Come here. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 6 of them, pull through 2 of them. Chain 1 and make the last 8 box. Yarn over, insert into 3rd stitch and make a double crochet on the edge. So we slide them places. Put the double crochets on the puff, put the puff stitches on the double. Again, chain 4. Turn our work, yarn over. So chain 1 for the space and skip here. Insert into top of the puff and make a puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1, make a puff. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, make a puff. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, make a puff. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Chain 1. Come to the last puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through 2. Now not we have any space, so we start directly double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Chain 1 and come to the 8th box, make a double, chain 1 and make a double. You can make also different alternatives on that. You can put the box like that, box squares, or you can make it bigger or smaller. It's your choice. That's so easy and fast crocheting, only you will be careful about that. Chain 1 and skip parts and keep the same number of that stitch from the beginning. I hope you like this tutorial. I crocheted easily and fast. I like it very much. We have box lines on the edges and also from the start and the finishing part here. So I didn't put a border on it. I prefer to use that cute pom-poms. It's your choice. You can put tassels on it, which you want, or you will make a border on it. It's your choice. I hope you will like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and also on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.